to my YouTube channel, and never mind your own drone. So don't forget to check out my other channel, my other videos on this channel. There's other boats, ships, all sorts of things on there. So in this particular video, it was about 30 miles an hour wind speed. Once I took off, I had a meter. Apparently they can handle the wind, so I give it a whirl. I was fighting the wind quite a bit, to be honest. I had a little fly around. I was getting the warning signs to go lower, fly lower. I'm not going to fly any lower. So I was fighting it a bit more, decided I've just returned to base, rather than take any chances. So anyway, this is raw footage, straight from the SD card, no editing, so it is what it is. Right, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the other videos.